perfect, no destination. Let's just wait and see where we end up. Burning up videos on backwards, they tally tuck. Bitch look at me, she said, yeah, what the fuck? Oh, I'm out enough.
All right, day one, Mile High Harley-Davidson, Parker, Colorado, Drifters Collective. We're out here, and if you're not here, I feel bad for you because it's going to be one smoke fest of a show. We got Lol Tigers, we got some barbecue, we got a bunch of trinkets. You want to get some patches on your leather vest? We got it all here. Lol Tigers is here. Bunch of cool stuff going on inside the actual dealership. It's going to be a great day. Come check us out.
Hey.
I done came up, bustin' down the whole bag. Broke nigga step back. Bunch of people nigga swag. You ain't even gotta ask. What are those with his dad? Please don't touch my rap. Please don't touch my rap. I'm racked up like rappers. I'm wrapped up on camera. Get knocked out on camera. Squeeze pump like asthma.
This thing's gonna not like Colorado. This is a dud.
Rick gon' be the tag, do the digital dash. Yeah, I'm boasting, never brag. Please don't touch my rap. Oh, the Crispin Nash, Alessandra Gucci glass. Double headers in the lab. Yeah, she pop it like a mag. Yeah, she drop it on the bag. I'ma buy another bag, cause she always bring it back. Yeah, you know how to make it last. Plus a nigga keepin' tabs. I'ma fly first class. Wave will hit him with the dab. Please don't touch my rap.
Hold on, step on my rest in this. Hold on, step on my rest in this. Hold on, step on my rest in this. Do you know how much I'm spending? My closet, it worth about $1 million. Took a little bitch off the runway. Now she naked in the kitchen. Ralph Simmons, all kind of crazy colors. Living color, left wrist, roll it butter. Make some Margiela on my sweater. Mama told me never settle. Ralph Simmons, don't lace him. Got your bitch, wanna date him.
Huh? What? Don't wanna talk about the paper. I swear to God, these niggas be haters. They be hating, I feel all the vapors. Living cul-de-sac, don't get along. Ooh, right with my neighbors. Diamonds on my neck, and roll it on. Now my leather got underbit flavors. Hit that bitch right on with my lightsaber. Ooh, feel like Darth Vader. I'm a boss, you know I'm my riff. Ooh, right from my basement. Yeah, pass the gas, but you know that I'm gon' face it.
Recover to the left.
Training, right?
Niggas don't want war, I'm a Martian with an army of Spartans. Spawn with a knife in the missile fight. Get your intel right, your intelligence is irrelevant, but it's definite. I spit more than speech impediments. Brooklyn's the residence, the best and it's evident. We got them niggas PE nuts like they elephants. Throw them in the trunk if they hate though. We don't give a fuck as long we collect our peso. Y'all collect pesos, y'all money ain't right here. I got them girls next to the wall like they like it. I'm right shit, trying to get a bug, trying to pollinate. Steve's got that presidential shit, time to inaugurate my PE conglomerates. By the PEE on any wannabe E. Weak MC, it remind to leave him empty. Congratulate the semi-auto. Fire flames spit it like Komodo. No time for fake people, they be simming like Komora. I'm the Impora in search of Theodora. My heart go Hispanic like Dora, massage blast. See, I was raised that way. I'm from a place where they raise that K like every day and every way and everywhere you go. Just ain't safe. The only thing that I can say to you is pray, cause is when niggas start equipping and throw the clip in, your blood dripping and catch you slipping under the victim. Don't know what's hit them through his spinal. Just another man who defeated by survival. That's your biggest fight in your whole life. These bars you can't handle, you better hold tight. They saying I'm the best, I'm like you're so right. Still ain't got enough shine to last the whole night, nigga.
Yo, fuck the police, nigga. Fuck every ass corrupt politician on Wall Street. PE, public enemy, assassinators, bitch. Fuck that. Fuck everything, son. Fuck government. Fuck listening and shit.
Want fucking energy, dickheads. It's like 6 million ways to die, my nigga choose one. Doomsday come and start investing in a few guns. New gats, booby traps, and bazooka straps. Better play your cards right, no booster packs. Everybody claim they used to rap, but these ain't even punchlines no more. I'm abusing tracks, leaving instrumentals blue and black. I'm in Marty McFly mode, so tell them that the future's back. Riding on hoverboards, wiping out motherboards. Stop spitting fire cause my motherfucking lung is scorched. King Arthur when he swung his sword, or King Arthur, I ain't even use a pen in like a month before. I had a hard time writing lyrics, now I'm way over heads. Science fiction, you can try and get it, I've been the flyest with it. With a mind to find of interest for your finest interests. They say hard work pays off, well tell the base guard, don't quit his day job.
What's up, y'all?
First show, how'd it go?
Oh, it was good. It was good. Leaking a little fork oil on the brakes on mine, so burnouts are not the greatest, but wheelies, I'm getting them down, I guess. Small parking lot, smallest thing I've ever rode, anyways. Other than that, it's good. Good. A lot of people. I think next one will be even better. The car kicks. By the way, I think that's going to be a new addition to the show.
What's going on, guys? Jake Caldwell here. This is my FRS. It's K-Series parts. 1,000 horsepower K24 setup. Pretty sweet drift car. Would love this thing. Started out as a rollover project. You know, every great race car starts out wrecked, and that's where this thing came from. If we roll over the interior, I'll show you guys where the party happens. So as you guys can see, we got a FD spec roll cage, awesome NRG Prisma seats. All the interior was hand built by us. All three pieces of it because it's gutted. It's the way we like it. Come on over to the back here. We got some sick cooling stuff. So radiator, fuel cell, oil, all of that is located right back here. Helps out with weight bias, keeps things nice and level, nice and even front to back. Super psyched to be here. This is a great place. Partying with the Drifters. If you guys haven't seen these dudes, this is insane. I want to get a bike and start doing this stuff. This is way better than cars. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. We'll see you guys soon.
What's up? We're going into show 2, Mile High Harley-Davidson Parker. If you're not here, you're missing out.
It's the blackout, Rory got the back out, showing my black ass engine in the glass house. Started in a crack house, Obama went the back route. Kill Bin Laden, never fall up in the black house. Still got the max out, pull a mask down like a mascot. Still drink with bitches, I would money her with ass shots. Good, had room for one more, I took the last spot. Re-up gang Peter, nigga, Yada hit the jackpot. Whole nother level, then you add fame, that's a whole nother devil. Legit drug dealer, that's a whole nother bezel. The carbon auto mall, that's a whole nother metal. But still keep it ghetto. Behind the scenes, pull strings like Geppetto. The gun blow steam, whistle like a tea kettle. Running like the rebels. You an LV sports shoe on the pedal. I let you niggas settle. Yeah. Trouble on my mind. I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. So
accidentally shot him. Then it ricocheted and killed the game. I'm a problem cause I wanna fuck the world, but not a fan of using condoms. Hard in my French, I'm going hard as my dick. I envision my tip on the crust of bitch lips. Mr. Lip Shits has been tripping since I mentioned Reptar, Triceratops, dinosaur dick. I feel it in my gut to kill these motherfuckers since I must like the arm of my pits. You niggas coming shorter than a Bushwick Billy costume on sale during Christmas in Philly. Well, not really. It's getting kinda chilly. Let's hit a couple bars and get some bitches wet willies. So getting jiggy with the
Well, that's a wrap. Mile High, Harley-Davidson, Parker. Thanks again for having us out. That's another show down. It was a great time. Can't say it enough. Also, too, make sure you guys check out our website, thedrifters.co. Go buy some merch. Also, too, we're on YouTube. Go hit the link, subscribe, ring that goddamn bell. Stop following me.
I'm a fucking walking paradox and a really shitty rapper in my favorite pair of socks. Iron pair of Dockers, 2 Glocks cock screaming with the speakers blasting a pair of pots. Yonkers 10 milli, you're silly, thinking that this preem wasn't free willy. The feeling is neutral, the gang is youthful and fucking tighter than Chad Hugo's pupil.